Question number 4 asks us to factor the following polynomial completely. So I'm going to go ahead and work through this to start with. The first thing we do is take my greatest common factor out. At this point we have 24x squared y minus 66xy squared plus 54x squared y squared. Looking at just the variables, I have 2 x's here and a y, just an x and 2 y's, and then 2 x's and 2 y's. So my greatest common factor of just the variables is going to be x and y. Take one of everything. That automatically eliminates g and h. We're left with either j or f. The next thing is, what is the greatest common factor of 24, 66, and 54? So I'll do my greatest common factor, 24, 66, 54. I know I can take a 2 out of those. I'm left with 12, 33, and 27. I'll also notice that I have 3 in common with all 3 of these. So if I take a 3 out of all of them, I'm left with 4, 11, and 9. These last 3 terms are relatively prime. So my greatest common factor is 2 times 3, or 6. So I'm left with 6. xy is my greatest common factor. Already we can tell it is j, but just to make sure, notice that these coefficients are right here. So we take our greatest common factor out of all those terms. We are left with 6 xy. Coefficients are 4. We take an xy out of the first term, which is x squared. Y, we're left with just x. Minus 11. Taking xy out of xy squared, we're left with just a y. And then if we take 6xy out of 54x squared y squared, we are going to be left with positive 9xy. That indeed is the exact same as j, so that is the correct answer.